Gloria. I'm Gloria, and today I am baking for you turkey legs. They come out delicious and very tender, and I know that you and your family will love and will enjoy. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. My ingredients: I have butter, garlic cloves, onion, 2 turkey legs, chicken broth, onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, barbecue sauce, and I am so ready to start with this recipe. This comes out very tender and very delicious, so let's get started. My friends, I am ready. I'm going to start with my red onion. I like to use 1 whole red onion. I like to cut it and slice it in very thin slices because this is going to go right on the bottom of my baking dish. This onion will give such a delicious flavor to my turkey legs. I'm going to add about 1 whole clove of garlic. If you don't like too much the garlic, you could just add 1 or 2 garlic cloves. But the garlic cloves gives the turkey very delicious flavor. I like to cut it very small. When it starts cooking, of course, they just kind of disappeared in all that broth. This is the way I do it, my friends. I hope that you could do it at home and taste this delicious recipe. I am ready to add my baking dish. On the bottom of my baking dish, I'm going to put a little bit of butter, just to make sure that nothing will stick to the baking dish, that everything will be nice and soft. Plus, the butter gives such a delicious flavor to the broth. I am ready to add all the onion, and I like to take it apart so that I am able to cover the whole bottom of the baking dish. As you could see, I'm pulling everything apart because I want this onion to release all the flavors to the drippings of the turkey legs, plus of all the sauce. That's why I'm pulling it apart, making sure that that every space on my baking dish is completely covered. Now I'm going to add my garlic cloves, and I like to distribute them all around. Make sure that they cover the bottom of my baking dish. I am going to add my turkey legs. I have washed and dried the turkey legs completely. Now I am ready to add the spices. I have the garlic salt, and I'm adding my onion powder. Cover everything completely. Now I'm going to be adding my black pepper, of course, completely covering my 2 whole legs. I'm adding at this moment 1 cup of chicken broth. And now I am ready to start with my barbecue sauce. With my barbecue, I'm going to add it completely everywhere. I'm going to cover every little piece of my turkey legs because this is what's going to give us such a delicious flavor. We're gonna cover it, and then we are going to be ready for the following step. Look how delicious they look. They are nice and covered. Look at this. My friends, I am done with my turkey legs. I'm gonna cover them. I'm gonna take them to the oven. I have turned my oven on to 350 Fahrenheit. I'm gonna take them in there and I'll see you back in about an hour and a half. I am taking out my turkey legs, and look, as you could see, they are very soft, very tender. They've been in the oven for about 1 hour and a half. At this moment, I'm just going to add some barbecue sauce, and I'm gonna put them in the oven one more time, just for about 30 more minutes, and then I'm going to broil them. So I'll see you back in a little bit, my friends. Look at this. Look how delicious this looks. Done with this recipe. Look how delicious they look. These turkey legs came out so soft, so tender. I have combined them with Spanish rice, with a little bit of corn, and of course our biscuits, our butter, unsalted. And this is the part I love, I enjoy, and I really look forward, is tasting my recipes. Let's see how this came out, okay? Because I have my pieces of my turkey legs here and a biscuit full of butter. Let's see how this came out. Excuse me. Very tender. The barbecue, the smoky barbecue, has given the legs such a delicious flavor. It's so soft from the inside, but yet from the outside is nice and crispy. And of course, combining it with the biscuit full of butter, well, even more delicious. Excuse me. This came out so delicious and so tender. I want to say thank you so much for watching my video, for giving me your time. Thank you. I really do appreciate it. If you liked and loved my recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, give me thumbs up, share my video on social media so more people get to know Cooking with Gloria. Don't forget to push the notification bell so every time I make a new recipe, yes, you are notified. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. And of course, I will be staying enjoying my delicious turkey legs. Bye-bye.